बीआरएस के रुकन राज्यसभा के सुरेश रेड्डी ने आज राज्यसभा में अक़लियतों और ओबीसी के प्री मैट्रिक स्कॉलरशिप को रोक देने के मसले को उठाया। उन्होंने कहा कि किसी भी तबके में तालीम से ही मसावत मुमकिन है। प्राइमरी एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन पर दिल्ली में जो डिक्लेरेशन जारी किया गया था उसको जहन में रखने की जरूरत है। उन्होंने कहा कि समाज में मौजूद पसमानदा तबकात के अवाम को तालीम से आरास्ता करने के लिए इस मुल्क में कई कोशिशें की गई, लेकिन अफसोस के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है कि मरकज ने अक़लियतों और ओबीसी को दिए जाने वाली स्कॉलरशिप को रोक दिया।
To ensure that the weakest of the weak in the society and their children come and get educated. So as part of that issue, sir, various measures have been taken over a period of time. It is with a heavy heart I have to inform that in the midst of this academic year of 22-23, last month the government issued a notice stating that the scholarships, the pre-matric scholarships for the OBC and minorities will be discontinued. Now we are all aware that the minorities and the OBCs, they are economically very weak. They need all types of support, including the financial support which has been continuing. Giving them 1,000 to 5,000 rupees per student under various categories per year is not really a big burden for the government, but it's a big relief for these students coming from these poor sections. It is an incentive for them to join school. It's an incentive to the families to send the children to the school, and it's also an incentive to the private schools to run the schools in one of the remotest areas where government is unable to reach. In a situation like this, without any consultation, if the government comes out and says